Welcome back. If you are considering a remodeling project, don't assume that high-end finishes and expensive appliances are going to be your best choice.
No. Believe it or not, expensive custom choices don't always make for a good renovation. They can actually work against you sometimes if you plan to sell your home, just like we heard about in the Parade of Homes. Rachel Schwab is back from the Equitable Bank to share a list of mistakes that could actually lower the value of your home. This is great. Good to see you, Rach.
Nice to see you too. Nice to have you.
Most people think like you renovate, you add, you're always going to add value, but that's not always the case if you choose something that may or may not fit. And I always think like people are always thinking about their bathrooms. Like they want super, super high-end kitchens and bathrooms.
Yeah, absolutely. And you want to do it nice, certainly, but you want to, and we've talked about this before, you want to stay within the value of your property and the properties in your neighborhood.
Right.
So if you own, let's say, a $300,000 house, don't drop $150,000 on your kitchen, because you will never get that money back. Now, what I will say is, if you're planning to live there and for a long time and you're like, no, this is what I want in my kitchen and in my bathroom, as long as you go in knowing that you may not get, well, you're really not going to get that much out of it when you sell, that's okay.
And you just still want it for yourself.
But if you're going to do renovations with the intention of increasing the value of your home, you're going to be smart about it. You want to think about how much of this am I going to be able to get out? So do it nice, but do it within the value of your home. Excuse me, your home and the other homes around you.
Yes.
So when you're talking about certain upgrades that you can do, I used to have a place where I had a smaller second bedroom in the thing, and I often thought about making it a sitting room for the master bedroom, but that's making it that's reducing the number of bedrooms that I have in the house. Is that a good idea?
No, that's another thing that we talk about is that, let's say you have a 3-bedroom house, and maybe they're small or modest-sized bedrooms, and you think, well, yeah, I want to make a bigger one. No. Keep the 3 bedrooms, because a 2-bedroom house, when you go on the market, is going to sell for less than a 3-bedroom.
Totally.
It's always better to have more bedrooms, even if they're smaller.
Okay. This is one I think everyone should know is a no-no. Your third one is removing a closet. But why would someone do that?
I don't know. They're crazy.
No, my wife been wanting to take out the closet in our living room for a while.
We said no.
Oh, I was
Susan.
Listen.
Susan, the answer is no.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
And why?
Well, because storage is huge.
Yeah.
Think about when you go to look for even an apartment. If you're renting, you're looking to see how much storage you have. So taking out a closet is a no-no, especially out of a bedroom. Maybe out of a living room. If you can have storage somewhere else to make up for it, then that would be different. But certainly, do not take it out of a bedroom to make a bathroom bigger or a bedroom sitting area or something like that.
Yeah, because then people
bedrooms
would have to
need to have closets.
Yeah, they would have to create a standing space, and that's not
right. And then it's just taking away from the actual square footage of the room, anyways.
Correct.
Right. So I'm not super handy. I'm okay handy. But should I think about doing all of my DIY projects myself, or should I bring somebody in to take care of it?
How handy are you really?
Well, put it to you this way: none of my batteries for the drill are charged at this point.
Well, I'm
going
to say you should get handy with the Google and finding someone to do that for you. Yeah. There are some things that, maybe replacing a kitchen faucet, or some more cosmetic, some more cosmetic things, handles and drawers and things like that you can do. But if it's maybe refinishing or painting your kitchen cabinets or replacing flooring or bigger things, you're going to want to get an expert in there, because again, if it's done wrong, or it's not to code or something like that, then you're going to run into problems with the value or even the saleability of the home.
It's true. I've seen a lot of people painting their kitchen cabinets themselves.
We just did that. We just painted ours.
Sometimes they look great. It's just you have to know what you're doing.
Right.
Yeah.
But I feel like you can tell the difference.
Well, let's go see it.
I'm not gonna let you over anymore.
Another thing is anything quirky. We were showing a picture of like a black and white tile in a
that's so cool looking.
Super cool.
Not everyone thinks that's cool.
Yeah.
And not everyone thinks a built-in fish tank is cool.
Who doesn't think a built-in fish tank isn't cool?
Anything that is really super custom but kind of quirky that maybe you go, oh, that is cool, but then you think, I don't know, do I really want that in my house?
Large ceramic panda.
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna really say no to the ceramic panda. Tell Susan that's out too.
Okay.
But no, anything that's really just quirky.
Yeah.
That's going to make it harder because people are going to go, wow, I don't know, can I picture my house without that floor or without that cutout or without that built-in?
So if people want to do a remodel, they want to do any of these things right, they can call you for refinancing.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
The one thing you should be doing is calling the Equitable Bank for refinancing. Rates are crazy low right now.
I feel like you've been saying that for a long time.
I know, but every time I come, I'm like, oh my gosh, they dropped again.
They're still low.
This is insane.
Okay.
Yeah, 30 years, 3.42% APR right now. So that is really, really low. The 15 is even lower. It's right around 3. So it's a fantastic opportunity to refinance, maybe get some cash out to remodel.
Pay for the ceramic panda.
To pay for your ceramic panda, your built-in fish tank, whatever you're doing. Yeah, any of those things. Equitable also has a renovation loan that is a fantastic loan for, you can have the house appraised for what it will be valued at when it's done.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So people know exactly what they're looking at.
So
All you got to do is contact the Equitable Bank.
Absolutely.
You can make an appointment with a specialist, 414-777-4411 or theequitablebank.com for more. Make sure you don't make mistakes. You do it right and you do it well, and you have all the money to do it the correct way. Good to see you, Rachel.
Nice to see you too.